Hello my friends, and welcome to MB Shoedoc Review Series, where we will explore the world of quality shoes for men. We will cover general shoe care and knowledge, review the brands you love, and introduce you to brands that you've never heard of. So get yourself ready, and let's dive right into today's unboxing video. Got another shoe brand to explore, Elegal Shoemaker. This is out of Vietnam. Discovered these through Instagram. It's a small brand. I think it's just one guy doing this all on his own. He's doing this out of a small shop. He's been making shoes for about 3 years. And the brand has been around for only about 1 year. Well, let's take a look at these really cool hole-cut Oxfords here. A really bold, dynamic, and a little bit asymmetrical shape to these. So this is more of a chisel toe. I like how it kind of flares out to the edge. So not a spade sole, but definitely a little bit more of an accent on the sole edge here. And this is a hand-dyed patina. Really beautiful coloration. It's like it's not quite olive. It's got some green undertones. It's almost like a copper color. I think that is really cool. And he does all the finishing by hand. Again, it's a Goodyear Welted. Beautiful sole work. So that's a closed channel sole. And he's got, it's not quite a fiddleback. It's a little bit more rounded, but you know, kind of that fiddleback style waist. And look at that pitched heel, and how tightly that heel fits to the uppers. That is really, really beautiful. So yeah, look at that. The way just the back of the shoe just curves so nicely into that heel shape. I really like the patina. Again, this is Annonay, Annonay leather. High stitch density on the sole you can see here as well. That's nice fudging detail. Yeah, really beautiful shoes, quite impressive. He is looking at selling his Goodyear Welted shoes for $230. That is an incredible deal. If something like this is hand-dyed patina and it's hand-finished uppers close, you know, there is no other maker doing something like this for $230. That's an incredible deal. That's a steal, really. And he was looking at selling his Blake Stitch models for $150. Absolutely incredible. I will be putting a shine on these. I'll be wearing them. Hopefully these will fit. I tell you, just at first glance, they look a little bit on the small side. They look a little short, but I'm hoping that they will fit me well, because they're absolutely stunning shoes. I really like this kind of aggressive toe shape. Let's put a little shine on them and see how they look. I usually like to put a kind of a base layer of wax. This is Saphir Mirror Gloss. Just kind of applying this. Fingertips here. Now the Saphir Mirror Gloss is kind of a dry wax to begin with, but mine is getting particularly dry. You know, when it kind of crumbles up like this, it'll still work. And I hate to, you know, waste it and throw it out, but it's getting almost to the point where I don't feel like I can use it too much anymore. So probably need to get a new supply of some mirror gloss here, but I think this will still do fine for this pair. So again, I'm just applying by hand, getting kind of a thicker base coat of wax on these, and then we'll introduce a cloth to put that final shine on it. All right, I've got, should be a decent little base coat of wax on these. Now I'm going to switch over to a cloth. I use just cut up old plain white t-shirts as my cloth. Got a little water dispenser, so I'm getting this kind of damp. And this is just Saphir Neutral Wax. So So this is going to have more solvents in it. It's a little bit softer wax. And this is going to kind of melt through some of these top layers that I added and kind of smooth out that layer of wax that I added here and built up. Now sometimes, because it's a hand-dyed patina, you sometimes will get some color transfer onto your cloth. I'm not really seeing too much of that, so that's a good thing. It tells me this is not going to be removing a lot of the color or the patina. If you go straight onto the shoe with this softer wax with more solvent, sometimes that'll pull off more color. So I do like that thicker base layer of the mirror gloss first. You'll get a lot less color transfer with something like that. So that's the process here. You know, it takes a little while to get that shine built up all the way, but this is the process. At this point, it's just a matter of time before we achieve the mirror shine that we want. So I'm going to kind of pause here and we'll kind of pick back up. You know, maybe it takes 20-30 minutes, something like that. It just depends. Pick back up kind of towards the end here, but you can see how it's picking up pretty good shine already. Whoa, got quite a shine going on these guys. I think they are absolutely beautiful. I'm really quite impressed with the construction, the patina work, the sole, every piece of this. The price is unbelievable. Really, there's nothing I would change on these. I think they are just perfect. So, Elegal Shoemaker out of Vietnam. I'm seeing a lot of really impressive things coming out of Vietnam. Absolutely check them out. I will have these on the feet soon. I cannot wait to try them. Hope you enjoyed this unboxing video. Hope you enjoy me exploring new brands that you've maybe never seen before. I absolutely love putting a spotlight on some of these people doing amazing work. See you in the next one.